If you want to discover a secret formula to make over $2,000 this week on ClickBank as a complete beginner, then you need to watch this video. I've been generating commission payments of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars using my ClickBank account. Through this method, I have been able to make over $9,600 in affiliate commissions just by using this account. So in today's video, I will be sharing a step-by-step secret formula with you guys that you can use to make literally over $2,000 this week in affiliate commissions. Even if you are a complete beginner with no experience, knowledge, or fancy skills, you can do this by following the method that I will be sharing with you in the next few minutes. I will be sharing literally everything step by step with you, so make sure that you keep on watching. Our friends at Worldwide Crypto are doing a $500 crypto giveaway. Check out their latest video to find out about the rules of the giveaway. I have already participated. Also, stay tuned because at the end of this video, I will be giving you a free script that you can actually use yourself, which is a copy and paste formula that you simply need to follow in order to make $2,000 this week. You can even make a couple of $100 with the method that I will be showing you without even having a website, showing your face, or having any social media following. I will also be revealing how you can do this at the end of this video. If you like the sound of that, smash the thumbs up button down below and let's get started. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So, if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial so you can get started on your money-making journey as soon as possible. Now, for the $2,000 per week ClickBank method, what you will need to do is get started by creating a ClickBank account. All you have to do is go to clickbank.com, guys. It is literally a 100% free affiliate network that you can join and you pretty much get approved right away. The first thing that you have to do is go to the login page and then click on Create Your Free Account. Now, I just want to tell you that this method is also going to work using other platforms, such as Digistore, Warrior Plus, or for any products or affiliate marketing offer. But for this specific case, I want to give you a roadmap to making over $2,000 per week, and I will share how to do this through ClickBank. By the way, this is the account through which I made $9.6 thousand. Now, what you want to do is go to the Marketplace section, and this is where you'll find a lot of different categories that you can choose from, and we will be talking about this later. But for this one, what you want to do is go to the Self-Help section and open it up. Once you've done this, then you want to go where it says Dating Guides and simply click onto that. This is a very good category of products to promote, and I will show you exactly how to go about it. First of all, there are a lot of products, but the specific one that I would like you to go for is called the Obsession Method. This is a huge, brand new men's dating offer, and this is the product that we are going to be promoting. When you click onto the product, you want to click on the sales page. There are many different categories here. For example, there's like a sales video, there are future topics, there is the buy button, and then there's the sales page. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this product anymore because this video might actually not be PG rated. So yeah, I'm not going to show you the entire sales page because there might be some crazy graphic demonstrations, and that is not really what I would like to show you in this video. Instead, in this video, I want to show you how to make money promoting this product. The next thing you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for like the best pickup lines, and you can find hundreds and hundreds of them all over the internet. Anyways, just select one of these websites and you just want to select like 3 of these pickup lines. The next thing you want to do is go to Canva and you want to pretty much search for like TikTok videos. Don't worry, we are not actually going to be using TikTok videos or even TikTok at all. We are just going to be looking for the resolution, and we are just looking for something like a template that we could be using. This is because if you just select the dimensions on Canva, you don't really get to choose from the templates right away. But if you put like a TikTok video, a YouTube thumbnail, or like a Pinterest graphic, it's going to show you all of the templates that are related to the dimensions that you have picked. What you then want to do is choose one of the templates. You can choose any one of them as it really doesn't matter too much. What you're pretty much going to do now is customize it. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cards at the bottom, and it also has the option of sound. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. So what we actually have is 5 different pages, and I will show you just how to finish creating it in just a second. Now, what you want to do right now is type 3 proven pickup lines and then to make girls love you from the first sight. Now, this part right here can be anything that is to do with the pickup lines. So for example, 3 proven pickup lines that work even if you are shy, or 3 proven pickup lines that work even if you are in high school, or 3 proven pickup lines that work in day-to-day life. Something that makes it really specific, because otherwise it is simply going to be 3 proven pickup lines, and people are going to be like, oh yeah, we have all heard that before. On the other hand, if you go like 3 proven pickup lines to make girls love you from the first sight, then it's going to make it that much more exclusive, and that much more likely that people are going to be willing to watch your very short video. You can now choose to edit and customize all of the pages to make it look that much more attractive. For example, you can go ahead and change the colors. Red would be a good one because for this particular topic, you want to go for the theme of love. You can also duplicate stickers, use different fonts, or add different pictures. Now, what you want to do is add the pickup line from the page that you found before. Let's use the example of funny pickup lines. So I have found this one here. Well, I am here now, so what are your other 2 wishes? That's actually a really good one, and I might have to use it myself. But anyways, you can paste the pickup line on the Canva page. You can then do the same for the rest of the pickup lines that you have found. For example, if you have found 5 pickup lines, then paste the first pickup line onto the first Canva page, the second pickup line on the second page, and so on. Now, what you are finally going to have is something like this. So, 3 proven pickup lines to make girls love you from the first sight. Then, number 1, well, here I am, what are your other 2 wishes? Number 2 then follows on, do you like raisins? How do you feel about dates? You can then also leave an arrow at the bottom of the page so people know that they can actually continue watching it for even more pickup lines. The next few pages for the pickup lines can be even a bit boring. You don't even have to put much time and effort into it to make it pretty, because at this point, you know that people are really watching it for the pickup lines. Number 3, just like this, do you believe in love at first sight? You can then go on to add more pickup lines on the next page, and on the last page, you can even add a bonus. For example, you can say, learn a language that makes any woman feel unconscious obsession, and then add a little arrow pointing to a link in the description of the video, which is actually something that you could have copied and pasted from the sales page of the product. Once you have finally finished all of this, created your templates, chosen and added the pickup lines onto the pages, and then added the bonus link at the end, what you want to do is come to the Share section and make sure you scroll down to select MP4. You are then going to select all of the pages that you have created, so all 5 pages, and make sure you do not just download one page, but all the pages, and then click on Download. Now, all you want to do is download this video onto YouTube, and you want to title it 3 Pickup Lines That Work Even If You Are Shy, and then you want to add like Part 1. This is actually a very important step, and I will explain it all to you a little later on. The description for the video is also going to be the same thing on the last page of your video. So, learn a secret language that makes any woman feel an uncontrollable obsession for you. After you've done all of this, you want to go over to ClickBank and then create your hyperlink, and then you want to copy it and then shorten it. You then want to go back to the YouTube video and paste it into the description box. So now, the description box should say something like, learn a secret language that makes any woman feel an uncontrollable obsession for you, along with the hyperlink at the end. That's it, you don't need to add anything else. You don't even have to spend time creating a thumbnail because the first page of the video that you've created will already be the perfect thumbnail for the YouTube video, as it already has the main headline of the video shown on it too. You then want to scroll down and click on "No, it's not made for kids." Now, this is the really important part. Where it says tags, you want to put a range of high-quality tags. To make this super easy for you, here is a software called rapidtags.io. And all you have to do is click on Use Tool for Free and then enter the title of the YouTube video to generate tags. So, what we would then input here is 3 pickup lines that work even if you are shy. Just simply copy and paste that part and then click on Search. Now, you don't even have to think about and go that extra length of reading the tags that the website has created for you. All you have to do is just copy and paste all of the tags to your YouTube video. Don't worry, these will all definitely be the best tags that you can use. Now, what the tags actually do is that when people are searching for something that is even similar to the video you have created, the tags will let them know that your video is what they're looking for and will therefore suggest the video to them. Once you finish doing all of this, that is pretty much it, and all you have to do now is fill out the extra information, such as video language and video location, and then you are pretty much all done. You can then click on Next and make sure that your video settings are on public. And bam! Now our video is on YouTube Shorts. As you all may already know, YouTube Shorts is basically short-form content that is also currently going crazy on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. They are all also competing against each other. So, if you're just going to post any short, there is a very high chance that your video will get at least 500 views from the selected tags that you put with this short. Now that your video is on the YouTube platform as a short, this is going to get you traffic. Now, this is what I was talking about at the beginning, and this can make you like $200 or $300. But if you are really looking to increase your results and make those couple $1,000s, then I have just the formula for you. You can use this method to make not just $50, $100, or $200 one time, but actually make a couple $1,000 even if you are a complete beginner. Okay, so this is the exact same process, guys. Firstly, you want to pick out an affiliate offer from ClickBank and then create a high-quality short based on your search results from Google, and then upload it to YouTube using rapidtags.io. I will now be showing you the exact way of doing this in order to make over $2,000. So now, here is the formula script. First of all, what you want to do is pick out 5 different categories. So instead of just going for dating, you want to go for things like health and fitness, woodworking, making money online, spirituality, gardening, pets, fashion, anything that you can think of really. You then want to go to ClickBank and find the 5 categories that you have selected. What you then want to do is select at least 2 products from each category, and this will then give you a grand total of 10 products that you will now be promoting. Now, for health and fitness, for example, you can be promoting a product that is going to teach people how to lose weight, and then another product that is going to teach them how to build muscle. So you can see that they are both completely different products, but still within the same category. A product example for the making money online category could be like a handbook or affiliate marketing, or like a work from home job offer. So essentially, what you want to do is pick up 2 different affiliate offers, but not for the same thing. It must be something different, but within the same category. This means that you will not be creating the shorts for the exact same thing, which will eventually lead you to actually compete with yourself. What you then want to do is create 10 videos per product. So you now have 10 different products and you are promoting each product with 10 different videos. This will give you a grand total of 100 videos, and in these videos you really just want to come up with simple tips. For example, 5 ways to lose weight fast, or 5 ways to build muscle fast. You're going to find so much free content on Google about all of your chosen categories, and this is all you really need. What you then have to do is go back to Canva and create these videos. You can use the exact same templates, but just play around with the colors a bit to make them slightly different, or even add different pictures, and then bam! We have a completely brand new short. You then just have to edit the meat of the shorts and make sure that you include meaningful information, or else people are not going to trust you, and therefore will be unlikely to click on your affiliate link at the end of the video. The important part is making sure that you use a range of different parts in your video. For example, part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on. Because if a person finds the part 1, then YouTube is going to automatically suggest them the part 2, part 3, part 4, and so on. Therefore, there is a higher chance that they are going to click on your affiliate link and make a purchase. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to make over $2,000 per week using ClickBank as a complete beginner. If you enjoyed this video, then please remember to click the thumbs up button and leave a like down below to show your support. Also, if you haven't already, then please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you soon!